grade 10, all the students are very collaborative. We all manage to work together in everything to come up with great results and really develop each and everyone's personalities as a learner and as a human being.
I think the grade 10 students are all about teamwork. We all work together and help each other. It's so very, we're all good friends.
We're all basically one close family because we've been together for so many years. We all know each other, we're all comfortable working around each other.
And after school, everyone has their own activity that they like to take part in. Some enjoy instruments while others enjoy Amiyan and debating.
And in grade 10, we all managed to come together to find solutions to our problems and all the problems we face in grade 10 and during the lessons in order to make grade 10 a safe and happy environment for learning and development.